you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Stylevana products to use for July. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so this just arrived. Stylevana did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your products to use and show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, Stylevana is not a subscription company. No. They are your one-stop shopping for anything that you would need to find or that you would need at all, K-beauty or J-beauty related. They literally have everything. Skincare, they even have makeup, they have tons of brands. They ship super fast. I do have my own code, which is INF10 SheCrafty, and that will take 10 to 15% off depending on what is accumulated in your cart at checkout. They ship pretty much nationwide, so wherever you are, you can enjoy their amazing products and you can shop rest assured knowing that everything is going to be authentic. You're not going to get any like fake products or anything like that. Everything will be just fine shopping with Stylevana. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what products they sent for me to use for July. I'm always so excited to see what they send, and I'm always so excited to try everything out. So let's see what we have this time. They always package everything so well. Nothing has ever arrived damaged or anything like that. They protect everything extremely well. Okay, so I have dumped everything in front of me. We have a nice little mix of a lot of different products. So let's go ahead and just start with the very first one. I absolutely love this brand, the iUnic. This here is the complete cleansing oil for all skin types. It is a 200 ml, nice large bottle. Let's go ahead and open this one up. I always tell you guys a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm is what I always start with. I prefer the cleansing balm over an oil because oil is just in my head. I just don't like oily things. It's been like that since I've been a kid. But I do use the actual cleansing oil, and this one I have used before and I really do enjoy it. So this is how the container looks. And one thing that I do want to point out though, this particular one is not oily. I mean, it's called a cleansing oil, but it doesn't look like straight olive oil is in the bottle. It just looks like a normal solution. So with this one, I didn't get that oily like consistency on my face when I was using it. So I really actually did like this formula. So I'm glad to have this one again. Again, it's by one of my favorite brands, the iUnic, and it is the complete cleansing oil, nice and large, and it is the pump bottle, which I absolutely love. And again, I love that it's not really like an oil-based product. So there's that. Next we have is a sun cream, which I absolutely love. And over this weekend, I was in and out outside, like helping my man paint something. We're building a shed. We always got some kind of project going on. And I was literally like dousing my body with sunscreen because I was in the direct sunlight for hours painting boards and wood and all kinds of stuff. So sunscreen became my best friend over this whole long weekend. And yeah, I was sweating a lot, so I kept reapplying. It was just nasty. It was 100 degrees in the shade and it was just so disgusting outside. But sunscreen, I always tell you guys how important it is. I always stay out of the sun as much as I can. And if I'm in it, I know I need to protect my skin. So I love that they always send a sunscreen, especially, and I always say like, teach your kids early, put them in their book bags. If they're out at school, have them protect at least their face and their arms. I mean, you got to start somewhere. So I love having like these smaller sizes. They can fit down in anything. I have them in my glove box, the back of my car. I have them in my purse. I have these little guys everywhere. So I absolutely love having a sunscreen. We have to protect our skin. Well, you don't have to, but it's better if you do. So next we have is a volcanic clay mask. So is this one that you're gonna have to probably wash off? Let's see. Is there any instructions on here? Nothing on here is in English. Let me see if it says anything on the inside. If not, I'll have to go to their website, which is a great thing because when you do look at any of their products, they have drop downs of more information. So if you are confused on like how to use a product, like this one doesn't say anything in English, so I wouldn't know what to do. So I'm gonna go to their website, see how it is used, and then I'll know how to use this product. Because I don't know if I'm gonna have to wash it off, which I probably will have to. yeah, it looks like one of those that you would just stick. It doesn't really have a scent, but it looks like one of those that you put on your face for so long and then you wash off. But again, I will figure that out when I go to their site to learn how to use this product. So you just scroll down underneath the product and you can find out how to use it. So this is a wash off face mask, which is suitable for all skin types. You first wash and tone your skin, and then you can apply the product in 3 separate ways. You can put it around your T-zone, on your nose and your forehead to tighten pores. You can spread small amounts over blemishes and acne to soothe, or all over your face for smooth skin effect. And this clay mask is for skin concerns with anti-aging, wrinkles, blackheads, oil control, pores, and uneven skin tone. The only thing it did not say is how long to leave it on, so I just left it on like a normal clay mask until it was pretty much dry, and then I just wiped it off with warm water. And I believe that I left it on for about 30 minutes. So if you ever get anything, or you just have it there and you already threw the box out and you see a product and you're like, how do I use that again? Especially with like skincare, because some stuff like an ampule you have to put on first. Some of the products will be like your last step of your skincare routine. Then you use this. So if you ever have any questions, you can always check out the product from their site and know exactly how to use it. All right, so then the next thing in here is the number 3 Radiance Glow Jumbo Essence Pad. I've been actually getting this brand the last few months and I've really enjoyed everything that I've used. So it's cool to see something else from the same. I like using the same brand. Even if I rotate that brand every night and use a different brand and then just keep rotating, but I really like to be able to use, you know, all of the same brand in a whole skincare routine. So now I can add this to my others and I can be using them, you know, in the same day. So this one, when you open it up, oh, you got to open that first so you can remove the seal. They smell nice and clean and refreshing. Okay, so then you put the lid back on. Now you can open it and get into... No, you can't open it and get into the inside yet. Take that out. Now you can get in there. Let's try that again. 3rd time the charm. Yes. Now you can get in there and look at how cute. They even have like these little tongs that are inside of the lid. So they're always there for you. So you can remove that. You just grab one out at a time with your little tongs and you just put these right back here when you're done with it. Jumbo Essence Pad. So let's see, how do we use these? Directions, how to use. After washing your face, wipe it from inside to outside along the skin texture to avoid around your eyes. After use, close the cap so the pads do not dry out. So there you go. That's how you can use it. After you wash your face, just use it as a little wipe to put on, and it's like an essence pad. So that's really neat. And you have, how many are in here? 70 pads. 70 pads are inside of there. So there's that guy. Now we have maybe spot cover patch. The little sticker is right over the front of it, but it says 22 patches, and this is from Skin 1004. This is another one of my brands that I love. This one with the Frutia and the Eye Unique, those are like one of the top brands that I absolutely love that Stylevana has. I've never tried the patches from this brand, so I'm really excited. So when we open this up, let me show you what the patches look like. I'm sure they're pimple patches. Yes, so spot cover patch, they're all down in here. And if you can see all of the little circles right there. Let's see if I open it, if you can see it better. And actually, I do have a pimple growing right here. Normally, when I get these, I normally don't have a pimple, and I really pray for one to come just so I can use it to show you guys, even though I hate them. But I wanted to show you guys in the video. So I was like waiting for a pimple to come a few times, and nothing ever came during that duration of me like editing the video. So now I get these, and I know I got one here that just started this morning. So I'm like, sweet. There's actually 2 different sizes. There's a smaller one and a larger one. So depending on how big of a surface you need to cover, you just grab one or the other. I always put this on a clean face. As soon as I get out of the shower, before toning, before anything, I put that on, and then I work around it with, you know, being mindful not to go in that circle. And then I go to bed. The next morning I wake up and I pull it off, and it basically sucks out all the nasty stuff. It makes your pimple go away so much easier, so much quicker, and I feel like it's less ease, like it's less painful. It just goes by a lot faster. So I love having these patches. You never know when one pops up, and you can help eliminate it quickly. So next up, we have a Deep Sea Pure Water Cream. Ooh, I love a water cream, and this is another one of my brands that I love, Porito. This is another one. There's like, literally, there's like 5 that I absolutely love. This one is a 1.67 ounce, and it is a water cream. Again, I'm so excited about a water cream. So this is what it looks like down inside of the package. And for this one, it says directions: apply a small amount of cream on the face with the fingertips. Let the cream absorb completely. Very, very simple. So after cleansing and toning, you put this on your face and let it absorb. And so then you can have a Deep Sea Pure water cream. I love a good water cream, so I'm so excited about that. Next we have is a Royal Vita Propolis 33 ampule. Glowing skin, neutralizing, revitalizing. There's all of that. And with the ampules, after you tone, you put this on. It basically kind of helps enhance anything else you put on afterwards. So I like having a good ampule because, like I said, that's something you put on after toning. And that is what the product looks like. This is a 30 ml or a 1.01 fluid ounce. It's an energizing, boosting ampule, delivering nourishment and vitality to the skin. Directions: apply a few drops onto the skin and gently pat in for better absorption. So very simple and easy. So there's that. And then the last thing in here, ooh, I do like this brand too. It has the VT on there. I've loved everything that I've tried from this brand as well. This is 30 each. It is a vital mask plus vitamin C. This feels heavy. Oh, it's like, is it like a little, it's like a little plastic box. I'm a little confused with this. Like, I don't think you peel the bottom part off, because the top part, you pull this out. So, and it has little tongs in this one too in the lid. So this one, it looks like that, and it says to put your finger in there and pull it out. Put your finger in there and pull it out. So let's put your finger in there and pull it out. And there's like a piece of plastic, I guess, that you remove, and then you can now see all of the stuff down inside. You can use your little tongs and you can grab them right out. Is this a face mask? These are all little face masks, you guys. I'm like totally tripping. I was not expecting this to be a full-on face mask in here. So there's 30 face masks in this container. What? Let me put this right back on top because I want to use that. I want to use that one tonight. That is crazy. There's 30 face masks in here, the sheet face masks. Put my little tongs back in here. That is so neat. There's literally 30 face masks in here. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I'm like so excited for this. And that comes in this whole little package. I've never seen face masks come like this. And I'm so impressed with this packaging. Like, I'm really impressed with this packaging, you guys. So a quick recap, we have 30 different sheet masks that are in this really unique container that I've never seen before. We have this clay mask that I will go online and see how to use, but it's probably like any normal thing you put on your face and wash off. We have this water cream that I'm so excited about. You have pimple patches. Here is the ampule. This is really neat, of the glowing jumbo essence pads to use on your face. There is a sunscreen and then a cleansing oil. All right, you guys. So now that is everything that they sent for me to use and try out for July. I'm so excited about all of these products, and I'm really, I don't know how much I can say that or how any other way to say this, but I'm so impressed with this. Like, I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed with this. So again, that is now everything. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the products that they sent for me to use for July? What do you think of Stylevana? I will have them all linked down below. You can definitely go check them out and all of the different products that they have. They have deals all the time, so you can always check back and see what's new, what's on like a deeper deal, what they've got going on. You can always check back at any time. And INF10 SheCrafty will get you 10 to 15% off your entire purchase based on what is accumulated in your cart at checkout. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.